Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to turn this keycap into a Japan flag. So like and subscribe and let's go for it.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night.
Now I'm done and this is my final product. Let's pop it back, and that's going to be all for this video. Like and subscribe and write me in comments what keycap I should do next, and see you in next video.